Hello, I'm Mr. Creative, and welcome to Arduino Basics. On this episode, we're going to be learning how to do Blink. So, let's get right into the build. Okay, so the things you're going to need for this build are your Arduino, an LED, a resistor, some sort of power, and you're also going to need the cable to go to your computer from your Arduino and a computer, which are off to the side. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your LED and you're going to want to take your resistor. You're going to want to locate which lead is longer, and the longer one is the positive and the shorter one is the negative. You're going to want to take your resistor and wrap one leg around the positive. This is what it should look like when it's all wrapped. This also isn't necessary, but I chose to put a piece of electrical tape around my resistor. And once you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Okay, so now you want to take your Arduino and locate pin 13. Then you want to take the lead from your resistor end and insert it into pin 13. Next, you're going to want to take the lead coming from your LED. You're going to want to run it into a free ground. There's usually a ground right next to pin 13. And there you go. That's your circuit. Next, you're going to want to take the cord from your computer and plug it into your Arduino. Then, go get the code. Once you've uploaded the code, you can then unplug it from your computer. Next, plug in your power and you're all done. Great job, and now you have an awesome blinking Arduino LED. Thanks for tuning in on this episode of Arduino Basics with Creative.